Hi guys, this is Stephanie and welcome to Designs by Stephanie. For those of you who are here for the very first time, welcome. And for those of you who are returning, welcome back. Today I have for you another vlog studio. This will be number 4. And today I'm going to fill an order and show you guys how I make my vinyl stickers. I got an order for a vinyl sticker. I made a video on how to place them onto items, but I got a big order, so I'm just going to show you guys how I make them, and that will be my studio vlog for today. And if I do something else, then I'll show you that as well. So if you're interested in seeing that, then stick around and stay tuned. Okay, the first thing that I do is I print out my packing slip so that I can go through the orders, and I blacked out the address and stuff so that it stays private, but I print it out to see what I need. And this person ordered 12 vinyls. So, and they are all pretty much in different colors. We have, I think, two duplicates, but they're all 3-inch and they're all the same font, which is a good thing. So what I do first is I pull up my silhouette, and these are all 3-inch, and I have it saved where I can do 3 inches. I think I got one saved for 3-inch. I think I got one saved for 3-inch, one for 4-inch. But I pull them all up on my computer, and I pull up my template, and I have the box size so that I know that it's 3-inch, so I can place them in the box so that it cuts it out at that specific size, so that I don't have to guess with that. And then for the font, it's the font 4, and I have my chart up on the wall to know which one number 4 is so that I can select. Let's see, 3-inch vinyl. So I pull that out, and then I'm gonna write on here so that I can distinguish what 2 colors I have of the same, so that I can put them on the same sheet and cut them out at the same time. Okay, so I'm gonna do my ones with duplicates first, duplicate colors first, and go ahead and get those cut out. So those will be 6 inches. And I have my vinyl. I keep them in the tubes like these when I buy them. So I have all different colors. So I just cut out the colors that I need. And I also have some that I've already used. So if I have some that's the same color, I can go ahead and use those. Like I have a mint green already, which I have 2 that's mint green. I have 1 that's yellow. So I have this, and they're 3 inches. So these are already, I can just cut them. I do have a green. So I have a green I can use. So I gotta see which green is which. One is, oh, this is the forest green. That's the regular green. So but I can use that one. That's it for my colors that I already have cut that I use for other orders. So I like to get my colors ready first. Use a different color pen. And you know, I already got the green, we got the mint green, and we got the yellow. So we need soft pink, lavender, black, orange, white, and cobalt. So I just cut all of these out. Okay, got all my colors ready now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So make sure 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. I always like to double check. And what I do is I just delete the names out that I did previously. And since I only have 2 names and all the rest are individual, I'm going to go ahead and take my little boxes out that I have already here, because I'm not going to need them, because I don't have all of them the same color. So I'm going to have to do them 1 by 1 or 2 by 2. And what I like to do is blow it up, make sure it looks right, then I put my color on it. Green. And then I trace it. Thick enough, solid, and then let's trace, and then I trace it Take the old one out. Then I'll take and color this one again. And then let me blow this up. Y'all probably can't even see that. And then I place it. In the box. And I size it. At one edge, and then I pull it until I get it to the width that I want it for the 3-inch. And then I just fix the height of it to make it bigger. And then I center it in the middle of the box. And that is it. Then I go ahead and I put them on my sheets. I have one for my vinyl and one for my stickers. So I just go ahead and put them on the one for the vinyl. I'm not doing one at a time. So once I finish with them, I'll come back. Okay, I finished all of mine, and I read this wrong. One of them actually had 2 of them on there. So instead of 12, I had 14 items instead at the top. I don't know why I didn't look at it, but that's what it says, 14 at the top. So when I saw that, I went back and counted. So I made sure I corrected that. And what I do with the tape, transfer tape, is this stuff can be a little tricky. So sometimes I lay it down and stick it from the table, and I try to wipe it up and make sure I don't have anything sticky on it. And I did one, and I had my sweater was causing a lint, so I took my sweater off. Then I don't want that on people's stuff. So I just put them on here and lay them on. And because they're so close together, I mean they're a little bit longer than 3-inch, I can't get actually here on here. I hope you guys can see that. So I'm going to do it this way. That's on the outside. I'm going to do it this way, and I'm going to lay them this way and then put them one long ways. That way they'll be easy to cut. They all look decent. Okay, got all of them. I put these in my little bag. And I write a thank you card. Oh, it's the wrong pen. And it just says, thank you. Your order is greatly appreciated, and just signed it. It's my little logo. And I just put their name on it. They're pre-printed. I've actually printed them myself. I need to make some more. I'm almost out. I think I only have a few over here left. Yeah. And then I just put that in there. And then I print out a receipt for them from the site. And we're going to show you guys that. And when I package it up, that's the back. That's the front. That's the back. And just close it up. And I put a little logo sticker on the front. Let's do a logo sticker, and then I get the box. I put them in, and I print out the label as well as the packaging slip. This is the one I just keep for myself. I don't send them that one. I print out a clean one that has a coupon for the next order. So yeah, that's all I do. So I hope you guys enjoyed it. I don't want to show the address and stuff, so I won't show it. And then I just take it to the post office. You can have the post office pick it up, but I just go over there because I always go and check my P.O. box. So anyway, thank you guys for stopping by. I hope you enjoyed the video, and I look forward to seeing you all in my very next video. Bye bye.